Hello everyone, today I will be analyzing the possible plastic surgery procedures of some K-drama actors. A few people have requested that I analyze some K-drama actors or actresses, so I'll be analyzing 6 actors today, which will include Hyun Bin, Lee Min Ho, Park Seo Joon, Kim Woo Bin, Lee Jong Suk, and Park Bo Gum. If you have any requests of actors or actresses that you want me to analyze, please leave them in the comments. I think plastic surgery is neither bad or good, as celebrities has immense pressure to look as good as they possibly can, which can be helped by plastic surgery. I think it will be a healthier environment if celebrities in general are more open and honest about plastic surgery and cosmetic procedures that they've done, or at least not lie about it, so the general public can see that beauty is attainable through plastic surgery. I know there's a stigma around plastic surgery all around the world, but people need to realize that it's pretty common among celebrities, as it's demanded by society that celebrities look perfect, so we shouldn't blame them if they resort to plastic surgery. I want this video series to be a form of discussion between people who are interested in the possible procedures celebrities had, and break the negative sentiment around plastic surgery. I assume that many celebrities, including K-pop idols, have done some sort of cosmetic procedures because their occupation demands them to look as good as they possibly can. I may be totally wrong about this assumption, as I don't know what goes on behind the scenes. A few disclaimers before we begin. I'm not a plastic surgeon, nor have I gotten plastic surgery, so my knowledge in this area is limited. These are just my speculations and not facts. I have no idea about the member's medical history, and these are just my speculations, so you can respectfully disagree. This post is not meant to send hate to the members, as they are probably pressured by the industry to look as good as they possibly can. With that out of the way, let's get started. Hyun Bin has always been handsome in the pre-debut photos. He has always had an incredible bone structure that became stronger as he aged. Male puberty does make a guy's bone structure, especially the jawline, larger, but his chin became a completely different shape compared to the pre-debut photos. He may have gotten a chin wing implant to make his face appear more masculine. He has always had a slim face with very little facial fat. His face looks fuller as he progresses in his career. I think this was due to weight gain, and possibly him getting fillers or fat grafting to his cheeks as he got older to fill up his face to keep him looking young. I saw some people speculating that he got a rhinoplasty, but I personally don't see changes to his nose, especially since I couldn't find side profile view photos of his face during pre-debut. From the side profile view, it does look like he may have gotten a rhinoplasty, as his nose bridge and the bottom of his nose form perfectly straight lines. It looks like he may have gotten a nose implant, but I don't have proof of this. In conclusion, I think Hyun Bin likely got a chin wing implant, fillers or fat grafting to cheeks, and rhinoplasty. He has always been handsome. He really aged like fine wine. I want to congratulate him for getting married to Son Ye-jin. Moving on to Lee Min Ho. I couldn't find many pre-debut photos of Lee Min Ho, so I might miss some procedures. He has always been handsome and had an amazing bone structure. The only change I see to his face is his nose. His current nose is slimmer, especially at the tip of the nose, where we can see more definition. This was probably caused by a rhinoplasty, as noses tend to get larger with age, not smaller. Other than that, I don't think I see changes to his face that are likely due to plastic surgery. In conclusion, I think Lee Min Ho likely got a rhinoplasty. I personally think the possible procedure wasn't necessary, as his original nose already fits his face really well. He's truly blessed with good looks. Moving on to Park Seo Joon. He didn't seem to change much from the pre-debut photos. He has always been handsome and had a beautiful smile. His bone structure became stronger. This was likely caused by male puberty. That does make the bone structure more prominent. I personally don't see changes to his face that are likely due to plastic surgery. In conclusion, I think Park Seo Joon is likely natural. He's truly blessed with good looks. He was casted to play in a Marvel movie. I want to congratulate him for this. I'm sure he'll do amazingly. Moving on to Kim Woo Bin. The pre-debut photos of Kim Woo Bin I found are blurry, so I might miss some procedures. He had an incredible glow up from the pre-debut photos. Glasses really do change some people's appearance a lot. To me, the most obvious change to his face is his nose. His current nose tip is longer compared to the pre-debut photos. There's also a clear separation of his nose bridge, especially at the tip of the nose from the rest of her nose. This is usually a sign of a rhinoplasty. His chin seems to be more prominent now. This was likely caused by a chin implant. We can see that his chin is also brought forward slightly from the profile view. I don't think this possible procedure was necessary, as his chin already fits his face really well, and has always been pretty prominent. His jawline seems to be less square now. I think this was likely caused by Botox injections to the jaw muscle. Botox injections to the jaw weakens the jaw muscle and can make the jaw appear smaller and less square. In conclusion, I think Kim Woo Bin likely got a rhinoplasty, chin implant, and Botox injections to his jawline. He had an incredible glow up and looks incredible now. It's unfortunate that he was diagnosed with cancer. I'm glad that he is healthy now and is ready to make a comeback to acting. Moving on to Lee Jong-suk. Lee Jong-suk also didn't seem to change much from the pre-debut photos. He has always had nice full lips. Before looking at his pre-debut photos, I suspected that he got a rhinoplasty, as his nose bridge looks unnaturally small for the proportions of his face. After looking at his pre-debut photos, his nose didn't seem to change much from the front view, but we can see more into his nostrils now. From the side view, it does seem like his nose bridge is higher and straighter. This was likely caused by a nose implant. He may have also gotten ptosis repair, as his current eyes are slightly larger vertically. I'm not too sure about this, as this change can totally be caused by makeup and the way he's posing, so I will put ptosis repair as a possibility. In conclusion, I think Lee Jong-suk likely got a rhinoplasty and possibly ptosis repair. He has always been handsome. He is truly blessed with good looks. The last actor I'll be discussing in this video is Park Bo-gum. Park Bo-gum has the most pretty photos out of the actors so far. He didn't seem to have aged at all, and has always been handsome. He seems to have lost a lot of weight, which makes his bone structure more prominent. I think his jawline and cheekbones are likely natural. I think he may have gotten ptosis repair. He still has monolids, but his eyes just open wider vertically, which can be caused by ptosis repair, as people's eyes tend to get smaller with age, not larger. Other than that, I don't think I see changes to his face that are likely due to plastic surgery. In conclusion, I think Park Bo-gum likely got ptosis repair. He has always been handsome. His nose is just perfect. He's truly blessed with good looks. Remember, when I do these analyses, I'm always at a neutral position. I don't think plastic surgery is bad nor good, so let's not spread unnecessary hate towards the members or my opinions. I hope anyone watching this takes this post in a positive way and realize that plastic surgery is not a bad thing. You need to understand that K-pop idols and other celebrities have a lot of pressure to look good, so it's not a bad thing if they resort to plastic surgery, as it is demanded by society. As I stated in the beginning, this is not meant for fuel to send hate towards the members. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.